Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. Today we're going to unbox this beautiful AnleoLife raised garden bed. Easy to assemble. It got great review. The price is good. It's rust free, lasts for 20 plus years, and it looks amazing in your garden. Raised garden bed will turn your backyard garden or front yard beautiful and gorgeous. Less weed, less bugs, less bending over. I'm going to show you what's in the box, how easy to assemble it, and I'm going to show you an easy, cheap way to fill it up with organic matter. Long Island, New York, deep fall weather. This company got good reviews on their website, also good reviews on Amazon. They'll send you the gloves, manual, bolt, screw, and the bed. Let's take everything out. This is in the box. These are the side panels. I got the gray. The color looks amazing. They have their beautiful logo right here. Does feel the quality is definitely pretty good. You got some brackets there, and then if we come over here, comes with a pair of gloves, comes with a screwdriver, and you just got the bolts and the washer thing that easy tied up in the back. And then if we look right here, this is the instruction. The length of it is 144, width by 36, and the height is 18-inch height. I'm going to show you how to fill this really easy. So you can see the brackets goes between to hold the bed very strong. Got the 2 corner piece right now. We're going to get 3 corner piece, but I just wanted to show you. Line it up, and you just put this screw in like that. It's really easy and simple, and this part goes around from the back. What I'm going to do, get the screwdriver, put the screwdriver from the front. You just take your hand, you could hold this part and just screw the screwdriver. It's really easy, simple. Listen, it's a lot of screw. It'll take you some time. Put on a good music, and what I advise you to do is put the screw right through before bringing on more brackets. So all right, so we got the 3 round panels, the corner and the front part right now. It was really easy to screw. They're really simple and easy, but you can see how gorgeous and beautiful it looks. And then we're gonna put 4 of the side straight panels. We're gonna put 4 right through here and 4 piece right through, and then from the curve we're gonna do the same thing. Wow, I have to tell you, I'm impressed. This thing is a monster. It's beautiful, the color, the quality, it's sturdy. It's really sturdy. It's very strong, good, high quality material. It's gorgeous. You guys could see right here. Look at it. Look how amazing and beautiful it looks. I gotta tell you, springtime, I'm gonna plant so much stuff in here. If you have space in your front yard and backyard, this is what you need. So I'm gonna show you real quick how to fill a big bed like this for really cheap and in a smart, organic way. The thing you want to do is to find a location for your bed. It's very important you find a permanent spot, because this is not something you could move that easy. Second thing we're going to do, start filling up. Find all your brown papers, cardboard papers. Make sure there's no ink, there's no color, no plastic tapes or anything on the cardboard or the paper, and you want to fill it right through at the bottom. That's all that I have right now. So next thing, we're adding a bunch of big logs. Wide logs, they're great for filling a raised bed. They fill it up really fast. They're free, they're organic matter. It takes a long time to break down, but it gives you good water drainage, good air flow, and once it starts breaking down, smallest pieces will add to your soil, richen it up, and give you guys a super bed. Literally rich carbon brown material. How can you go wrong? So far, we're not spending a dime. This is all free stuff you could find around your yard. Go around on the highway, neighbor, Craigslist. This is all free stuff. I have a lot of compost you could add. I do not have a lot of compost right now, like kitchen scrap, banana peel, apple peel, used coffee ground, stuff like that, wood ashes, branches, sticks. You could throw all of them inside, fill them up between. Add in your compost, and you add some sticks and branch, dry leaves. Dry leaf is one of the best thing to use to fill it up. You see that? These are whole leaves. If you're gonna cover your garden bed just for next spring, I suggest you guys crush your leaves up either with your ride-on or a weed whacker or something. You want to crush them up to small pieces, because this way it will decompose faster. For Mother Nature to give us all this rich nutrition leaves. And normally, I'll let you guys know, you leave 6 to 8 inches because you want to add your soil. And what if you're mixing home compost with your soil? Finish home compost with your soil. You want to fill it right away up to the top. But before you do that, make sure you get a good pair of boots right here, and you want to walk and step down, press everything down. You have to press everything down, and then get some water, the hose. I got to get the hose and water it down. So that way everything was kind of settled in, not come when you're ready to plant, you know, it's caving in different section. So you got to make sure you press this down. As you water stuff, it will be coming down into places. So this is fall time. I'm not going to fill it up with soil. Come next spring, within springtime, it's going to decompose a little bit, and it's going to give me enough room to add soil. And I mix home compost with my soil, so this will be a supercharged, super powerful bed that give us everything we need to grow. Right now, that way how I filled it up, it was all free. I went around the neighborhood and I grabbed a bunch of leaves. I went on Craigslist, I found somebody who's giving free logs, and I got the logs right there. Everything. I go around my yard. If I find any sticks or branch, I put it in. Go inside. If I have any banana peel, apple peel, or used coffee ground, I throw it right in there. Now, this way that I filled it, this is for winter and fall time. If you're going to fill it summer and spring to use right now, you want to leave 6 to 8 inches from the top come down, so that's where you're going to be adding your soil. Whatever soil you're going to use, I recommend to add, mix some home compost or mix some organic fertilizer between of the soil, like mix it all up. Or what you could do, add like 2 inch or 3 inches of soil, add an inch of compost, or just sprinkle some fertilizer and then add back a couple inches of soil on the top of it, so which when you start watering, everything will break down, and this will give your plant everything it needs. You don't have to worry about your plant dying or it's having a hard time producing, or you're missing calcium, or you're missing this, or you're missing that. No, this is how you have a supercharged bed. Use logs. I tell people logs will take a long time to break down. Don't expect your log to start breaking down right away. It takes years for the whole log to break down, but smaller pieces will start break down. That will release organic nutrients to your soil, and that soil would boost up your plant from the root. Logs help with good water drainage, good airflow, and it saves you tons of money and fill up the bed really fast. So highly recommend to use logs. Do not use to like old logs with a lot of holes or bugs or anything. You got to be careful too with your leaves and your logs, whatever you add in inside. This garden bed was not hard to put together. It was easy. I'm not just saying that because, you know, I got the bed. No, it actually was very easy. The material, it's waterproof, rust free, eco-friendly, and the price cannot go wrong. Check in the description box below for price and details. All right, just want to say happy holidays to everybody, to you and your family. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Green Tea Garden. I always appreciate the comment, thumbs up. And if I missed your comment and it was important, please comment back under any new video I put up. Sometimes I don't see all the comments, and I still got to figure out that comment thing on YouTube still. So thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. I'm in Long Island, New York, and we're all about growing a better home garden together. So if you click the red subscribe button followed by the bell icon, it's 100% free, and anytime I upload a video, you will get it right away.